What up, squad? And welcome back to another episode of the Boom Boom Room. If this is your first time checking out the channel, my name is Antoine. Thanks for stopping through. In my continued quest to make the ultimate home theater room / man cave, today I have a new addition to my concession area. Today I am unboxing the 26 bottle Antarctic mini fridge.
Ray.
Yeah.
What's the name of that nightclub of yours again?
You talking about the Boom Boom Room?
Yeah, the Boom Boom Room. That's it.
So this is my old fridge. Looking at it, you can see that it was in dire need of an upgrade. This fridge is, it lasted me a long time, but over years I got paint on it and it don't even hold that many drinks. I got a couple bottles of water, a couple cans of soda. I got hot dog buns and candy and ice packs in there. But it was time for an upgrade, so I thought I'd try this new Antarctic Star 26 bottle mini fridge. Now I found this fridge on Amazon. It was about $230, and I thought that was a pretty decent price. One of the things that caught my attention about this fridge was I thought it was pretty cool looking. It looks way better than what I have now, so I thought it was a pretty big upgrade. This fridge has a cool blue light that illuminates the inside of the fridge. I also like that the glass is tinted. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 levels of shelf space. These racks are adjustable, and it's much deeper than the fridge that I had previously. Also, technically, this fridge is considered as a wine cooler fridge, like a wine cellar. So it's designed to store up to 26 bottles of wine. It has 3 different temperature settings: minimum, medium, and maximum. All right, let's get this thing filled up with some beverages. So I was able to fit 15 bottles of water on the bottom shelf, 20 cans of Coke on the second shelf. I got 20 more cans on the third shelf, and on the fourth shelf, I got plenty more room. Just trying to decide what flavors I want to put in here. I got some root beer, some other stuff upstairs, so let me go and check. So one of the things you might notice is that there's the temperature gauge kind of blocks you from getting beverages on the right side of the top shelf. But other than that, you'll still, if you put in cans, you got a pretty decent amount of space. You'll have enough beverages for you and your family, friends and family. So I think it was it's a pretty good, decent fridge. It's better than what I had, so. Well, that's it for my review and unboxing on the Antarctic Star mini fridge. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up for your boy and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch y'all on the next video.